This is the furniture factory we visited today, which gave us a sample cabinet board. First, we drag and teach the robot to the starting position. Drag completed. Then we use the 3D vision camera equipped with the sanding system to take a photo of the workpiece. Okay, the photo has been completed. The red frame marked position is the sanding area we selected. Waiting for the sanding path to be generated. The path has been generated. Let's start sanding now. Let's see the sanding parameters are: the sanding force is 20 and the speed is 50 millimeters per second. Click with the mouse to start. The robot will move to the sanding starting position according to the software instructions. I am a pneumatic floating force control grinding head. Your workshop can also be an unmanned factory in the future. That's right! I am the sanding robot hero, who is not afraid of dust and not afraid of fatigue. Sanding is complete, shining brightly.